Today we will know what is concrete. Concrete is a type of artificial stone. A mixture prepared with different proportions of coarse grains, fine grains, agglomerates and water is solidified to form concrete. The mixture is molded into the required shape before solidification. Coarse and fine-grained materials are inert. They do not undergo any chemical reaction, that is, do not participate in chemical reactions. On contact with water, the coagulant reacts chemically and begins to form a clot. The essence of concrete is that the finer-grained material fills the voids between the coarser-grained materials. And the finer voids in the fine-grained material will be filled, and the coagulant material will surround all the material. When in contact with water, the coagulant material freezes and solidifies all the material into a hard, sterile, and pure artificial stone. Coarse-grained material should be stone chips or gravel or first-class picked brick. Stone powder and sand are used as fine-grained material, and cement and lime are used as coagulants. Currently, cement is used as the main coagulation material. Thanks for watching this video.